Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fantastic and learning very seriously because in this lockdown time, you don't have any other option to study. You have to be serious in study, whatever we are teaching. Okay? If you don't understand anything, please do check the video again and again. Watch it again and again. Try to understand again and again. If you feel you don't understand anything, that means you are not trying that much hard. Okay? And if you have any doubt in any topic or anything, you should point it out. Where is your doubt? You cannot say that I have doubt in the whole video. It cannot be possible, right? So listen properly, try to understand it, give your whole heart and mind to the video to understand it. Okay, so today we are going to start how to write a conversation. Okay, so in our last class we read a conversation between me and Stobden. Okay, let us see the example so we can get some idea to write conversation. See here in this page number 53, two characters are there and they both are talking in phone, right? So it doesn't mean that you will converse with someone in phone. You can converse with someone with face to face. You meet someone and start converse, right? You discuss about some topic with your friends. That is your conversation. You talk about common life or day-to-day life. That is your conversation. Whatever can be, the talk can be conversation. So at the very beginning when you talk or when you start your conversation, you should know how many characters should be there in your conversation writing. For example, here we can see only two characters, me and Stobden. So me called to Chaskid, but unfortunately Stobden received the call and both started talking. That, see, you can see at the very beginning, me wish with a polite manner like this, hello, may I speak to Chaskit please? They stopped and replied, hello, I'm sorry, but Chaskit is not at home. May I know who is calling? Okay, in a polite manner, they just started their conversation. So here I will give you some example. Suppose two characters are there and they are talking about their homework. Okay, so I'll take two characters, that is Sunita and Anita. Sunita met Anita in a stationery shop. Both friends met at stationery shop and started their conversation. Sunita said, hi Anita. Then Anita also would reply the same. Okay, Anita's replied, that means dialogue, the conversation, that is your dialogue writing only. Okay, Anita replied, hi Sunita. Okay, then Sunita again replied, name you have to mention. Okay, Sunita asked to Anita, how are you? Anita's reply, Anita, I'm good. then thank you, because she asked about your health, then you will mention the word thank you. And you, or you can also ask and you, in place of and you can ask how are you. Okay, then again like this conversation would go on. Then Sunita again asked, Sunita would reply to her. Without replying, don't write anything new, okay? Reply to each other's conversation, right? So Sunita would reply this first, and you. I'm also good. Okay, it is her reply. If she would start another things about not more than how are you and all, okay, she would ask, have you completed English homework? Then Anita would reply yes or no or something else, right? Anita would reply yes, I have completed. Then Sunita again reply, I found the fourth question little difficult for me. Then Anita would reply, no, my dear. You call your friend my dear, my dear friend, so you can mention, no, my dear, it is so easy. Then Sunita would reply to Anita again. Sunita, really? Will you explain me? Then Anita would reply yes or no. Yes, I will. Please come to my home after 4 p.m. Then Sunita will reply, sure, I will. Then both will say bye-bye to each other also, right? Then Anita would reply, okay, bye now. Then Sunita bye Anita, meet you soon. Okay, both say bye bye and the conversation ended. See, so why I have written for you to give you an example how to write a correct conversation. Conversation means, see, person to person reply. If she said hi, that doesn't mean you stop your talking. You would reply for another character. Then if Sunita would say, ask how are you, Then Anita would reply. Then again the reply. Okay, the reply session should go continuously. See, you can see in my writing, I have asked question, I have replied for Anita, then Sunita asked question, then Anita replied. Both are continuously replying each other and sharing their thought and idea or feelings. That is your conversation. Conversation cannot be monotonous. That means आप ही बोले जा रहे हो, आप ही बोले जा रहे हो, सामने वाला कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है. That is not good conversation, right? एक करेक्टर बोलने के बाद दूसरे करेक्टर का डायलॉग भी आपको लिखना होगा, है ना. जैसे कि उसने पूछा हाउ आर यू, तो अनीता के लिए लिखना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, यस आई एम गुड, थैंक यू, और हाउ आर यू. देन सुनीता रिप्लाई भी लिखना पड़ेगा, यस आई एम ऑल्सो गुड. देन योर मेन कन्वर्सेशन, जिस टॉपिक पे तुम्हें बात करनी है क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग, जो क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे एग्जाम में या वर्कशीट में दिया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर बात करनी है, ये कॉमन कन्वर्सेशन के बाद स्टार्ट करो. बिगिनिंग में कभी भी मेन टॉपिक डिस्कस मत करना. डोंट डिस्कस मेन टॉपिक एट द वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ योर कन्वर्सेशन. फर्स्ट ग्रीटिंग ईच अदर, फर्स्ट 2 lines for greeting each other, asking about each other. Okay, see, you can see in from here to in this 4 line I have just started or greeting each other and asking about each other's health or feelings, right? Then after 4th or 5th line I have introduced what is the main topic to discuss. Fine? Okay, fine. See, in page number 14 in your worksheet, you have to write a conversation, right? Write a conversation between 2 students about GK competition. Okay, so 2 students, you can write any name for the character, whatever you like to do. Okay, after writing, first you will say hi, how are you. Okay, and then you discuss, do you know there is a quiz or a GK competition in next week? Then yes, I come to know. Then again the character will ask, have you prepared for that? Then the person can say yes or no. Yes, I have prepared very well for the GK competition. Then the person will, oh my god, then I will come to your home and practice with you so that we both can participate well in the GK competition. So likewise you can start your conversation writing. It is depend on you. You can add something more in your own way. Okay. Second conversation, write a conversation between stranger and you about way of hanging bridge. Okay, so you met a strange person, maybe in train, maybe on bus, maybe in any shop or any restaurant, and you are talking about the hanging bridge. Hi, hello, something. Just start conversation in the beginning. Hi, hello, where are you from? You can maybe where are you from? Then the person can say, oh, I am from Morbi too. Then you say, oh, there is a hanging bridge right now. Yes, it is it has a beautiful sight. Have you ever visited to that? Then the person can reply, yes, I have visited many times. Oh, if you walk on that hanging bridge, it's to give you a different pleasure. It's make noise, you know, when few people it hang on a something like that. You can share whatever your feelings or experience are there in that. So likewise you can write the conversation. Fine. Okay, so that was about your conversation writing. I hope you have learned how to write conversation. Fine. So today we are going to learn the apostrophe, how to use apostrophe and apostrophe in construction. Okay, so apostrophe we usually use to show the ownership or possession. What is ownership? Ownership mean किसी का. Suppose this pencil is mine. Okay, this pencil is mine. So you can say this is देवी मैम्स पेंसिल. देवी मैम का पेंसिल है. ओके, दिस बुक इज माइन. सो यू कैन से दिस इज देवी मैम्स बुक. सो जहाँ पे हम किसी चीज़ की बिलोंगिंग बताते हैं, ये चीज़ किसका है, देयर वी यूज एपोस्ट्रॉफी टू शो द ये थिंग्स इसका है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर आई एम राइटिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यो राम्स पेन. किसका पेन? राम का पेन है. तो इफ यू पुट एस एपोस्ट्रॉफी एंड देन एस, दैट मीन ये बताता है कि ये राम का पेन है. माय मदर्स clothes are beautiful. ओके, मेरी मदर के क्लॉथ्स बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. देखो एपोस्ट्रॉफी लग गया, मतलब हम ये चीज़ क्या क्या बिलोंगिंग है मदर का? क्लॉथ्स है ना. नाउन जो है इसका है, ये चीज़ किसका है? इसका है. ठीक है, सॉरी फॉर द वीडियो. ओके, सो ये जो क्लॉथ है किसका है? मदर का है. तो ये बताने के लिए हमें एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस यूज करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अनदर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, whose house is this? Question mark. Shyam's house, or you can say this is Shyam's house. तो ये बताने के लिए, ये बिलोंगिंग चीज किसका है बताने के लिए हम एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस यूज करते हैं. ये तो सिंगुलर के लिए, दिस इज फॉर सिंगुलर, राइट? सिंगुलर नेम, दैट्स व्हाई वी पुट एस, apostrophe and s. Suppose it is already plural, sisters, already written sisters, sister, already s is there and plural, so no need to put apostrophe before s. Okay, you have to put apostrophe after s, then it become your belonging. Okay, sisters notebooks. Suppose you have 2-3 sisters and their notebooks are lying on table, so you cannot write sister apostrophe s then notebook. No, sisters apostrophe after that then notebooks. तो जब प्लूरल होता है तो एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस के बाद यूज होता है, राइट? फाइन. और जब सिंगुलर होता है एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस से पहले यूज होता है. लेट अस सी द रूल्स गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, सिंगुलर, हाँ, सिंगुलर में एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस से पहले है और प्लूरल में एपोस्ट्रॉफी प्लूरल वर्ड के बाद एस के बाद में है, राइट? ट्विंस रूम, माई सिस्टर बुक्स, ओ सेम एग्जाम्पल है. फाइन. अगर इरेगुलर है, इरेगुलर प्लूरल क्या होते हैं? सबको देखो, सिस्टर है, इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं है, बस एस यूज हो गया है, राइट? इरेगुलर में जो होता है, दैट मीन सी एम एन मैन इज सिंगुलर, बट इफ व्हेन इट बिकम प्लूरल वी हैव टू चेंज ए टू ई हो जाता है, ए बन जाता है ई, यहाँ पे मैन प्लूरल में आता है. तो एपोस्ट्रॉफी हमें यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं प्लूरल के बाद. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी मेंस डे, वुमेंस डे, चिल्ड्रंस डे, प्लूरल हो गया है ना. प्लूरल के बाद हम एस यूज कर सकते हैं. फाइन. नेम्स एंडिंग विथ एस, उसमें भी हम बाद में ये एस या उससे पहले एस यूज एपोस्ट्रॉफी के साथ एस यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड. एपोस्ट्रॉफी, where to use apostrophe? Apostrophe we use to show the things is belonging to whom. उससे पहले हम apostrophe s यूज करते हैं. We use apostrophe s before and after. Okay, in singular noun we use before s. Okay, and in plural noun we use after s. But in some places like irregular verb, like there are changes from singular to plural. जब हम चेंज करते हैं singular to plural और पूरा वर्ड ही चेंज हो जाती है, राइट? तो that is known as irregular noun. So there we can use apostrophe after s. No, what is apostrophe? Apostrophe looks like your comma, but comma we put just after, sorry, below of it, but apostrophe we put above it. That is your apostrophe. Now let us learn the contraction. Contraction means short form. Contraction means short form. Short form known as your contraction. Short form of any word or any words, that is known as contraction. For example, do not. If you want to write in short form, it will become don't. Do and then apostrophe t. Don't. Okay. Will not. Construct would be own. W-O and apostrophe t. Okay. She will become she, then apostrophe ll. Okay, so I hope you understand. We skip some words and put apostrophe. You have to remember that one. See, here we omit o, and in place of that we put apostrophe. Here also, here we skip these two letters and put apostrophe. Okay, for example, I have. The short form would be I apostrophe V-E. I have. Okay. She has. She apostrophe S. She is also in the same manner. She is also in the same manner. You will get she apostrophe S. Fine. They will. So they apostrophe ll. So likewise you will change the short form, and this short form of any word or words known as contraction. Short form of any word that is known as contraction. Understood? Now let us use contraction. Here I will underline and change, and you write fully. Okay, so here he is, will write like this. He apostrophe as he is. Okay, this parrot belongs to Ritu, so you can write this parrot is Ritu's, or you can write Ritu's parrot, or this is Ritu's parrot. Okay, Ritu's. I'm just changing. You can write full sentence. The father of my friend is a scientist. My friend's father, my friend apostrophe s, my friend's father is a scientist. Okay, I will not lie again, will not change into won't. There cannot be more than one correct answer, so cannot change into can't. Okay, there are books for children. Sorry, these are books for children. Okay, children's book, children's books. Is this a school for boys? So you can say, is this boys school? Boys will put apostrophe after it. Okay, do you like the songs of Yasudas? Do you like Yasudas song? Yasudas song. See, apostrophe you can write after s, so no need to write s. See, in the same manner you can write Yasudas. Both are correct. Okay, this is not the way to the police station. This isn't that isn't the way to the police station. The leg of the dog is hurt. The dog's leg is hurt. So where I have written short answer, you write full answer of it. So we had learned today, okay, how to write dialogue or conversation, and also learned how to use apostrophe. See, you practice more, okay, you try to understand more, read it again and again, and you'll get to know. Fine, don't get confused, just focus and learn whatever I have taught you, where to use, what is the way I have changed, the things. Mind it, each and everything. Okay, bye.